Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about combining like terms. Let's take a look. Like terms are terms with the exact same variables raised to the same power. So for example, 4x and negative 10x are like terms. 15xy and 17xy are like terms as well. Negative 2x squared y and 7x squared y are like terms. And negative 9xy cubed and 13xy cubed are like terms. Notice how they have the exact same variables raised to the exact same powers. So, simplifying expressions by combining like terms, we are combining the like terms by adding or subtracting their numerical coefficients. So, if I'm looking at problem A here, I notice how we have a 9x here and a negative 6x here. Remember to take the sign with the number. So I'm doing 9x and a negative 6x. I can box them just to know which ones I'm doing in order to take the sign in front of the number. And 9x plus negative 6x, or 9x minus 6x, is 3x. Now I have the 7 and the 3. So I have a positive 7 and a positive 3. So positive 7 and a positive 3, and 7 plus 3 is 10. So my final answer to this is 3x plus 10. All right, let's take a look at B here. We have an 8x squared minus 9x minus 7x minus 5x squared. Again, remember to box the ones that are like terms. So I have the 8x squared and the negative 5x squared are like terms. So 8x squared and then negative 5x squared. When I'm combining those, 8 minus 5 is 3, so I have 3x squareds. Now, looking at the x's, I have a negative 9x and a negative 7x. So minus 9x and minus 7x. Now I know a negative 9 and a negative 7 add to a negative 16, so minus 16x. Looking at C here, I'm noticing that we have our m's. We have a negative 7m and a positive 3m. So negative 7m and a positive 3m. And negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4, so I have negative 4m. Now looking at the p's, I just have a negative 2p. So I can just write minus 2p, so minus 2p. And now looking at the constants, I have a positive 3 and a negative 9. So positive 3, negative 9, and I know that positive 3 minus 9 is a negative 6. So our final answer is negative 4m minus 2p minus 6. And last but not least, we have negative 7x squared plus 8x minus 9x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 5x squared. So I'm first going to look at the highest exponent, which is the negative 9x cubed. And I do not see any other x cubed, so I'm just going to write that. So negative 9x cubed. Now I'm going to look at the next highest exponent, which are the x squareds. And I see I have a negative 7x squared and a positive 2x squared. And then last but not least, a positive 5x squared. So negative 7x squared, positive 2x squared, and a positive 5x squared. Now combining those, I know negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5, plus 5 is 0x squareds. So I have 0x squareds left. I still have that negative 9x cubed. And now I'm just looking at the x's. So I have a positive 8x here and and a negative x. So positive 8x and a negative x. And positive 8x minus x is a positive 7x. So plus 7x. So now combining these, or putting this all together, I do not need to write a 0x squared, because 0x squared means I don't have any of them. So I don't have any x squared, so I just don't write it. So our final answer is negative 9x cubed and a positive 7x. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.